na nila mo kami.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I pillow and cry from this stupid gag, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost rubbed down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me, thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me?
Blessings life can bring, I've always needed something, but I've got all I want and it comes to loving you. You're my only reason, you're my only truth. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you. You're the hope that moves me to courage again. Oh yeah. You're the love that rescues me when the cold winter rage. And it's so amazing, 'cause that's just how you are. And I can't turn back now, 'cause you brought me to that. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like mercy from heaven's sky. There's a freedom in your arms that carries me through. I need you.
Opo, I love you. Alam ko lumalaban ka, malakas ka. Alam namin malakas ka, alam namin. Kung katawan mo sa misolve na. Bakit kasi ayaw ka namin mawala. Ay, hirap. Pagod na yung katawan mo. Kami nahihirapan, nakikita ka ng ganyan. Hindi mo na kaya pa, pakauboy na kami ba? Basta mahal na mahal ka namin. Walang katumbas yun. Sobrang ayun ka namin. Sobrang di ka nagkareklamo. Walang iniindang sa akin. po. Bilib kami sa iyo. Kasi napalaki na kami ni Mama, di ba? Alam na Agnes. I love you.